Today at AutoFix Pro, fifth and sixth gears not working in Golf 5 Plus. What happened? After a slight load change, the vehicle suddenly lost propulsion in sixth gear. After shifting into fifth gear, the problem persisted. However, the lower four gears and reverse gear could be used without any problems. Today, I'm going to show you a type of damage that I've never seen before. Most Volkswagen drivers will never encounter this type of damage. The damage can result in a costly transmission repair or even require a replacement transmission. There are early signs of this damage which can be prevented with little money and effort. The vehicle is a Golf 5 Plus with a 1.4 TFSI engine with 90 horsepower and a sixth-gear manual transmission with the transmission code LHY. Watch the video and write in the comments what you've experienced so far. Do you like the video? Then I'd be delighted to receive subscribers, likes, and comments. Thank you very much. Have you ever had a problem like this? You can find more videos on my channel, including topics such as dual clutch and automatic transmissions, troubleshooting vehicle problems, and more. AutoFix Pro. Diagnosis. To diagnose the problem, I have to remove the cover on the outside of the transmission. To get to the cover easily, I remove the front left wheel. Then, I remove the underride guard and the lower part of the left wheel arch liner. Now, I can see the transmission clearly from below. I can now remove the cover from the left side of the wheel. To do this, I loosen 6 screws. Then, I can easily pull off the cover with a little help. I've never seen anything like this before. The output shaft is broken. The gears for 5th and 6th gear on the output shaft are therefore logically not functioning, as the power transmission to the transmission output shaft is interrupted. The output shaft is broken at this point. A broken shaft in the transmission? How could that happen? When inspecting the output shaft bearing, I noticed that there was a relatively large amount of play. There were also signs of wear on the shaft. This was evident on both the drive shaft and the output shaft. These bearings had probably already been causing noise, which the drivers had not noticed. The shafts then seize up during operation in the transmission, which leads to high shear forces and, over time, to shearing or breaking of the shaft. That's why. If you hear noises coming from the 6-speed transmission in this model, be sure to check the eyeglass bearing in the housing cover in good time and replace it if necessary to avoid such serious damage. At this point, the output shaft is broken. When checking the output shaft bearing, I noticed that there was quite a lot of play. There were also signs of wear on the shaft. This was the case on both the drive shaft and the output shaft. These bearings had probably already been making noises which the drivers had not noticed. The shafts then jam during operation in the transmission, which leads to large shear forces and, over time, to shearing or breaking of the shaft. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Weitere Videos auf meinem Kanal.